Hey guys, hi and hello, welcome to my channel Divide and Conquer with Radha. Today's topic of discussion is going to be volume and surface area of solids. Solids occur in various shapes. Solids can either be a cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, or even a sphere. In today's session, we are going to learn how to calculate the volume and surface area of a cube. A cube is a three-dimensional solid whose length, breadth, and height are all equal. A cube has 6 identical square faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Rubik's cube, ice cubes, sugar cubes, or even the dice that are all examples of a cube. Now let's learn how to calculate the volume and surface area of a cube. Volume of a solid is the space occupied by the solid, and it is calculated using the formula length into breadth into height. Since the sides of the cube are all equal, let's consider each side to be equal to A units. Therefore, volume of the cube is equal to A into A into A, which is equal to A cube cubic units. Volume is generally expressed either in cubic centimeter or cubic meter. Moving on to total surface area. What does total surface area actually mean? It is the area covered by all the 6 faces of a cube. Area of each square face is equal to A into A, which is equal to A squared units. Therefore, total surface area of a cube is equal to 6A squared, where 6 denotes the number of faces and A squared is the area of each face. Lateral surface area of a cube is the area of a side surface excluding the top and bottom surface. So excluding the top and bottom, we have 4 faces in a cube. Therefore, lateral surface area is calculated using the formula 4A squared units, where 4 denotes the number of faces and A squared denotes the area of each face. Moving on to diagonal of the cube. Diagonal of the cube is calculated using the formula A root 3, where A is the side of the square and root 3 is substituted using the value 1.732. Let's solve a problem related to volume and surface area of the cube. Find the volume, the total surface area, the lateral surface area, and the diagonal of a cube, each of whose edges measures 18 cm. Here, edges corresponds to the side. So the side of the cube is given as 18 cm, and using this particular value, we need to calculate the volume and the surface area. Volume of the cube is calculated using the formula A cube. So, substituting the given side in the above formula, we have 18 into 18 into 18. On multiplying, we get 5832. Therefore, volume of the cube is equal to 5832 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Total surface area corresponds to the entire surface of a cube, and it's calculated using the formula 6A squared units. So substituting the given side, we have 6 into 18 into 18. On multiplying, we get 1944. Therefore, total surface area of the cube is equal to 1944 centimeter square. Lateral surface area of the cube corresponds to the 4 faces, that is excluding the above and the below surface. So the formula is equal to 4A squared units. So substituting the given side, we have 4 into 18 into 18, and on multiplying we get 1296. Therefore, lateral surface area of the cube is equal to 1296 centimeters square. Diagonal of the cube is calculated using the formula a root 3. The value of root 3 is generally taken as 1.732. Therefore, substituting the value of side and root 3, we have 1.732 into 18, that is equal to 31.176. Therefore, diagonal of the cube is equal to 31.176 centimeter. I hope this video helped you to learn how to calculate volume and surface area of a cube. If you find my videos to be helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Happy learning, stay safe, take care and bye-bye.